or 0, 1, 110 CSS Basics Refresher. 1. What is CSS? CSS, Cascading Style Sheets, describes how HTML elements are displayed on screen, paper, or other media. 2. What are the different types of CSS? Inline, internal, embedded, and external CSS. Soft 3. Difference between ID and class selectors. ID, unique, class.class, reusable. 4. What is the universal selector in CSS? Selects all elements. 5. How do you comment in CSS? /comment here? 6. What's the difference between M, Rem, and PX? PX, fixed size, M, relative to parent font, Rem, relative to root HTML font. 7. What is specificity? A score to determine which rule applies when conflicts occur. Inline ID, class, tag. 8. What is the use of important in CSS? Overrides all other declarations regardless of specificity. 9. How do you apply multiple classes to a single HTML element? Separate them by spaces. Class equals btn primary large. 10. What are pseudoclasses? They define the special state of an element. Example, hover, focus, nth child.